Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to fund your E-Dinar account. We're also going to show you how you can take money out as well. There are three ways to fund the E-Dinar account, and I'm going to go through each one. We've got PayPal, Bitcoin and cash. So let's start with the first one, PayPal. Now to do this we need to go to the P2P exchange. So if you go into your back office and click on this tab here on the left, third one down, P2P exchange, you'll see this page come up, and then what you need to do is click up here in the middle on P2P exchange again, and then what we do is we put in an amount that we want to buy. So let's say we're going to buy 100 E-Dinars. Okay, then you've got an option here where it says buy, so we click on buy in this drop down menu, and we're looking for payment systems. So in this drop down menu, click on payment systems, USD, and look for PayPal. Now you might have another payment processor, it works the same, but in this example we're going to use PayPal. Click on find, so we go back up here, and here it lists a number of people selling E-Dinars using PayPal. Now you'll notice that they charge you more than what the E-Dinars are worth, and that's because they're covering the PayPal fees. And if you look here on the rate, it says 1.07, so they're charging you $1.07 per E-Dinar. Further down it's $1.95, sorry, 0.95 cents, and $1.06. So if you click on the rate button, it'll put in a list of priorities. So the 106 is at the highest, and you can choose that if you want to buy that way. So if you want to do that transaction, you click on swap, and it'll ask you to confirm the payment. So you're buying a certain amount of E-Dinars, that's the price. Click on confirm, and this page will come up, and then you've got 24 hours to pay. So all you do is you will send to this person, this is the email address, you'll send your $50.49 to that account, and then when you've done the transaction with PayPal, you take a screenshot of the confirmation page and put in here the message that you've actually done the transfer, put your name in, and attach the screenshot so that they receive the image and confirmation that you've paid, and then click the paid button. Now you should get your E-Dinars within 24 hours. It usually happens quicker, but within 24 hours you'll get your E-Dinars. If for some reason you don't, then the company will fund you and they'll suspend the other person's account. But if you decide you don't want to do this transaction, you've changed your mind, just hit the cancel order button, and that takes you back out. So that was the PayPal system. Now we're going to look at Bitcoin. The Bitcoin one's slightly different in that you'll need to have a Bitcoin. So I'm going to show you how to set up a Bitcoin wallet first, because you will need this at some stage later anyway, and it's good to have because we are in the cryptocurrency business and we need to have something like a Bitcoin wallet. So to do this, you want to go to this website, zappo.com, and create your own Bitcoin account. It's quite straightforward. You just log in, register your details and set up your account. But the beauty with this one is that it also offers you a debit card, which means you can convert your E-Dinars back into Bitcoins and spend them. And I'll show you how that works at the end. Now, in case you're wondering if you can get a Zappo account or debit card in your country, just scroll down to the bottom, click on the FAQ button, frequently asked questions, and it can list all the frequently asked questions if you want, because there's loads of topics there. But if you want to just find which countries it's available in, just type in which countries and it'll bring up the question: which countries can Zappo ship the debit card to? Which countries Zappo's not able to issue? So if you're looking for your country and you're not sure, let's say for example it's India, then India it's not listed, so unfortunately you can't get the Zappo card in India, but I think there are other alternatives in India anyway. So once you've got your Zappo account set up, all you do is you simply buy Bitcoin. So this is mine. Okay, I'm going to click on the buy Bitcoin button up here, and let's say I'm going to buy, I don't know, 1 Bitcoin. Make it simple. Buy Bitcoins is going to cost 547 USD. Click on buy, and it shows you here that it's actually costing me £376.85, and then there's a £3.77 charge, so it's £3.81 total. So you're looking at just over 1% for buying the Bitcoin, which is a lot cheaper than the PayPal transaction fee. And that's if you buy 1 Bitcoin. You can buy a fraction of a Bitcoin. You can buy you know, 0.1 Bitcoins. It's up to you. And obviously, if you've got this your bank account set up with this wallet, then you can purchase using the Bitcoin. Sorry, you can use your bank to wire the money across and buy the Bitcoin. Once you've got your Bitcoin in this wallet, what you need to do then is go back to the P2P exchange, and we're buying, but this time we're going to use crypto. So we're looking for crypto. There it is. We click on the BTC option, which is Bitcoin. It's a bit slow now. So choose the BTC option, scroll back up, click find, and there you have a list of Bitcoin sellers. So if we click on this tab here with the 100, it lists all of them. And what we're looking for is the best possible deal. Now on the rate here, it shows you that for 1 Bitcoin, you're getting 530 E-Dinars. So this guy's giving you 530, but this guy's giving you 550. So if you click on the rate tab up here, it lists them in order of exchange rates. So the highest one is 1553. So let's say you were going to buy 95. Well, maybe you wanted more, but you can buy 95 off him and then 5 off somebody else. But let's say you're buying this one, so we'll go with this one, swap and confirm, and there is the wallet address. So that's his wallet address. So what you do is you copy that. So let's just do a copy. And then you go to your Zappo account, and we're going to do a transfer. So we assume that you've got your Bitcoins here. Okay, go into the wallet, and we're going to send the Bitcoins to this person's address. So we paste that address in there, type in the number of Bitcoins he wants. It was 0.1714, so you can just copy that really. Copy that. Type that in there, put in a note, who you are, what you're buying from them for the E-Dinar coins, and click send. And it's as simple as that. And the same thing happens. He will then get your details. You'll take a screenshot of this confirmation screen, type in a message saying you've sent the Bitcoins, attach the file to it, and click the paid button. And that's it. You'll get your E-Dinars within 24 hours. So that was Bitcoin. The final way is to do it the traditional way, which is cash or bank wire transfer. Now we have 2 UK and Ireland approved, company approved vaults where you can transfer the money via bank or by PayPal to somebody in the business who have these vaults. Speak to the person that introduced you to the business. They can tell you how to do this. That's the most efficient and cheapest way so far, and we're using this system until we have a card facility available, and I think that's coming in the very near future. So those are the 3 ways of funding your account. If you've got any questions, there are some other videos that show you how to do this in a bit more detail. Just ask the person that introduced you and get your questions answered. I hope you understood this. Thank you for watching.